Today we start chapter 5, arithmetic progression for class 10. The important things. Please subscribe this channel, like, comment and share this video. Here important things. Sum of the first n terms of an AP. First video में हमने देखा how to find the nth terms and find the formula of the nth terms how to prove. In second theory part, sum of the first n terms of an AP. तो n टर्म्स का सम कितना होता है वो हमें फॉर्मूला प्रूव करनी है और समझना है. फर्स्ट यू कंस्ट्रक्ट हियर प्रूव दैट द सम ऑफ द n टर्म्स ऑफ एन एपी इन व्हिच सम ऑफ एन n टर्म्स हमें प्रूव करना है ऑफ एन एपी. हियर यू नो दैट द फर्स्ट टर्म इज a. You know that the first term is a. Common difference is equal to d and the last term that is called an L. Last term that is called L, otherwise a. So sum of n terms of an AP, the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 a, that means first term plus last term. You remember this formula, sum of n terms, if first term and last term will be given, if first term and last term will be given and nth term will be given, then you apply the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus n. So you remember this formula, Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus n. How to prove? We solve here. In another formula, Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here put L is equal to value, last term L is equal to an that is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute L is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Put value L is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Then you find the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. तो ये दो फॉर्मूला हमारे लिए है Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus n and next formula Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And how to do this formula? Please see here. Here the solution of this term. Let you know that the formula L that is a last term that is equal to a. L is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. That is the equation number 1. Okay. We may write the given AP as we may write the given AP. Write the given AP. First term is a, second term is a plus d, third term is a plus 2d, fourth term is a plus 3d, and last term that is called L. Last term that is called L. Second last term that is L minus d. Second last term is L minus d, and third last term is L minus 2d. So you remember this order. First term is a, second term is a plus d, third term is a minus 2d. Last third term is L minus 2d. L में से 2d सब्ट्रैक्ट होता है. Second last term is L minus d and last term that is called L. So you remember this one a plus d, a plus 2d, up to L minus 2d, L minus d and L. Okay. Here Sn be the sum of the first n terms of this A. Sn means sum of the first n terms of this AP. Sn का meaning है sum of first n terms of this AP. Sn का meaning है. Okay. That means Sn is equal to sum of all terms a plus d. इसके बीच में हम प्लस की साइन ऐड कर देंगे. That is called an Sn. Sn means a plus d plus a plus 2d up to plus L minus 2d plus L minus d plus n. That is an equation number 2. Sn is equal to a plus a minus a plus d plus a plus 2d up to plus L minus 2d plus L minus d plus n. That is an equation number 2. Here equation 2 in reverse in the order. Write the above series. Write the above series. This one is the series. Write the above series in the reverse order. Write the above series in the reverse order. Sn is equal to Sn as it is. Last term convert to first term and first term convert to last term. Reversing the series means reverse series in the reverse order. Reverse order means last term convert into the first term and first term convert into the last term. Therefore Sn is equal to L plus L minus d plus L minus 2d up to plus a minus a plus 2d a plus d and a. हमने a सीरीज को कन्वर्ट रिवर्स कर दिया है. तो Sn is equal to last term is first term L minus d L minus 2d up to plus a plus 2d a plus d and a. That is an equation number 3. Okay. Here equation 2, adding equation 2 and 3, adding equation 2 and equation 3. Therefore Sn plus Sn, adding terms of 2 and 3, we get Sn plus Sn, that is equal to Sn plus Sn. Remember this one, see here, a plus n, therefore into bracket a plus n. Second term is a plus d plus l minus d, a plus d plus l minus d. Third term is a plus 2d and l minus 2d, a plus 2d plus l minus 2d plus l minus 2d. And similarly second last term is l minus a, l minus d. Second last term is l minus d plus a plus d, l minus d plus a plus d, l minus d. Second last term is l minus d, and here second last term is a plus d, l minus d plus a plus d, and last term is l plus a. Last term is l plus a. Okay, here Sn plus Sn, Sn plus Sn, that is equal to 2Sn, a plus l as it is, plus d and minus d will be cancelled out, therefore a plus l. Similarly 2d minus 2d both are cancelled out, that means a plus l up to nth term. Minus d plus d will be cancelled out, that is a plus l, and already a plus l, that is equal to nth term. Total number of term is nth term. Total number of term is nth term. Therefore a plus l up to a plus l is n times. Therefore 2 into Sn is equal to a plus l plus a plus l plus a plus l up to a plus l n times. a plus l कितनी बार आएगा? n times. Therefore n into a plus l. इसका मीनिंग, पूरे का मीनिंग क्या क्या हुआ? n times a plus l. Therefore 2Sn is equal to n times a plus l. Therefore Sn is equal to n divided by 2 into a plus l. तो ये फॉर्मूला हमारी प्रूफ हो गई. Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus l. तो Sn की फॉर्मूला हमारे पास आ गई. Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus l. But you know that L is the last term. L is the last term. Therefore put L is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Put L is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, because L is the last term, that is an an. An means last term L, that is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore a plus a, that is equal to 2a. Sn is equal to Sn is equal to n by 2 as it is. A plus a, that is equal to 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Then you prove this formula. Prove that the sum of the n terms of the AP, Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus l, and another equation Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And this proving the formula, and apply this formula in examples. Okay, thank you friends.